The presentation blueprint is the tool that will save you time, help you find your clarity, and build your influence in front of every presentation audience and every meeting room. After you sign in the upper right-hand corner, click New Presentation and name your presentation. And we're off to the races. First, we're going to clarify the objectives. Why are you giving this presentation? Why are you holding this meeting? What do you want to get out of it? Then your core four, a reminder of your professional brand. Now a detailed questionnaire will take you through learning about your audience, figuring out their pain points, their objectives, understanding who they are, where they're coming from. Next, the situation. How much time do you have? What is the setting for your presentation? Now that we have the foundation laid, we are ready to begin building your content. It starts with a big idea, your unique take on the theme of this presentation or meeting. The next step is to give context to your presentation. We do this with key points, 3 pillars that we will organize the presentation or meeting around. Now comes the subpoints. This is the content of your presentation. The data, the research, the spreadsheets, the white papers, all of the stuff. This is the meat of your presentation. But now it's clearly organized beneath the correct key point. Now that we have the context and the content of your presentation, we bring it to life with a few selected stories, strategically positioning them where they will have the best impact to expand your influence in the presentation or meeting. And if you need help coming up with stories, the presentation blueprint will help you build your own stories. Now that you have a clear understanding of your presentation or meeting, now and only now do we build the open and the close. And in the final step of preparation, we get to multimedia. The presentation blueprint will take each part of your presentation or meeting agenda and help you determine what multimedia you do or do not need to support that. Whether that's high-tech like PowerPoint and videos, or low-tech like flip charts and whiteboards, handouts, and exercises. This will give you a clear understanding of what support each part of your presentation now needs. It will also give you a very clear, delineated list of multimedia items that you'll need to build. And finally, the program gives you the blueprint, an outline and an overview of the project, the presentation, the meeting, a clear understanding of your audience, your objectives, your big idea, and then the outline to your presentation or your meeting, in as much detail or as little detail as you choose. You can export the outline into a Word document. That is so easy to use, you can use it to deliver your presentation or your meeting as your notes. And on the right-hand side, you will see the list of multimedia items that you now need to go build. The presentation blueprint will save you time, help you find your clarity, and expand your influence. And it will be with you for every presentation, every step along the way, letting you know what to do first, what to do next, what to do last, so that you can have massive influence in front of every room, every Zoom, and every audience, every single time.